What's up, everyone? If you caught the last update, you know I've been deep in the trenches on the Kaggle market prediction competition, trying to challenge the efficient market hypothesis. The journey has been challenging, but the progress is real. Last time, we introduced our secret weapon, a hybrid model that fuses market volatility insights with my unique data on politician trading. This model was showing promising results in backtesting, seeing consistent gains. The model, despite its power, couldn't see the signal through the noise. It was treating every day's political trade as an isolated event. It was using a hybrid brain in name only. The challenge became, how do we get the AI to pay attention to the signal? My AI assistant and I went back to the drawing board. We realized the answer wasn't more data, but smarter data. We embarked on a strategy called signal amplification. Instead of raw daily numbers, we created features that capture the dynamics of the sentiment over time. First, we introduced rolling political sentiment over 7 and 30 days. This smooths out daily noise and captures the broader trend, letting the AI read the cumulative sentiment. Next was the buy/sell ratio. This is key for measuring conviction. A day with high net volume from equal buys and sells is less significant than a day where buy volume dramatically outweighs sell volume. Finally, we engineered volume shocks. This captures the surprise element. A day where political trade volume is 10 times the recent average is far more interesting than a normal day. We also had to fix some key coding bugs, like consolidating our daily underscore trades creation and correctly handling missing data, which was crucial for the flow of the new features. The results were a massive success. After retraining, the feature importance chart proved our strategy worked. The buy/sell ratio and the rolling sentiment features are now active, key components of the model's decision-making process. We've successfully moved from a model that ignored our unique data to one that actively uses it. Even though the directional accuracy remains stable around 64.04%, this is a critical breakthrough, confirming our unconventional data has real predictive power when processed intelligently. In terms of error magnitude, our root mean squared error, or RMSE, is a reasonable 0.021141. This means our model's typical prediction error is about 2.11%, which is conservative for financial returns. Now that the model can truly read the room and combine market momentum with political sentiment, we shift our focus from prediction to strategy. The next logical step is building a smarter betting strategy. This includes confidence scaling, where we use a tiered allocation system to size our bets based on the magnitude of the prediction. And crucially, a risk management overlay, using something like the VIX to cut exposure during chaotic high-fear days, protecting our capital. The foundation is stronger than ever, and we are ready to implement the strategy that will maximize those gains on the Kaggle leaderboard. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more updates and follow me on LinkedIn for daily insights. See you next time.